Unit 3 Vocabulary Quiz, Unrest and Rebellion. Matching. Number 1, Loyalist. Number 2, Patriot. Number 3, Act. Number 4, Minutemen. Number 5, Congress. You will match them with one of the following. A, an American colonist who remained loyal to Great Britain. B, ready to fight in a minute's notice. C, an American colonist who strongly opposed British rule. D, a formal decision, law, or the like by legislature, ruler, or court. E, a formal meeting or lawmaking body. Multiple choice. Number 6, a soldier who is paid to fight for another country. A, mercenary. B, militia. C, traitor. D, backstabber. Number 7, to refuse to use or buy something as a form of protest. A, tax. B, militia. C, boycott. D, parliament. Number 8, Britain's law-making assembly. A, parliament. B, tax. C, Congress. D, boycott. Number 9, a fee imposed by the government on its citizens that is used for public services. A, tax. B, act. C, fine. D, boycott. Number 10, a volunteer army. A, spies. B, militia. C, mercenary. D, boycott.